Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Dart programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about polymorphism. Now in today's tutorial we are going to discuss what is static keyword. In Dart's object-oriented programming paradigm, the static keyword is used to define class level members that are associated directly with the class itself rather than with instances of the class. When a variable or method is declared as static within a class, it becomes a class variable or method, respectively. Class variables, also known as static variables, are shared among all instances of the class, and they are accessed using the class name. Let me open VS Code and show you practically what is static keyword. Here let me create a class person. And here for example there is a variable. Here let me assign value name, variable name, and here let me assign value xyz for example. Now for example I want to print my variable name by using its class name. How I can print? If I use here person dot, you can see we cannot access. If I write here name, you can see it is showing error. We cannot do that. So in order to access this variable, we need to create object of class person as we already discussed, like this. Now here we can access person dot name. If I run it, here you can see it is printing xyz. So this is the way we can access any variable inside class. But if I want to access this variable directly, then how I can do? Here I can use static keyword. If I use here static keyword, no, I don't need to create any object. I can directly call it by using its class name, person.name. You can see I can access it directly. Here you can see it is printing. Same like this, I can create static functions or methods, void for example display, and here I can print name is name, like this. Now I can call it directly here person dot display, you can see. So this is the benefit of a static keyword, we can call directly. So the static variables and functions does not belong to instances of class. You can say it instances or objects. They don't depend on class object. Here for example I create person object of person class. I cannot call them by using object. You can see here there is no variable name and display function. I cannot call here. If I try to call display function, you can see it is showing error. The static method display cannot be accessed through an instance. Try using the class person to access the method. So this is very important. We cannot call our static function or variable by using object of the class. We can access them by using class name directly. They don't depend on the object of class. Here let me remove static keyword, and for example this is static variable name. Now let me create two different objects of person class person. Now let me call display function by using both objects. Its value will remain same for both objects, you can see here. So this is the benefit of static variables and static functions. If we use static keyword with any variable, it will become class variable. So it belongs to class, not object. We cannot call them by using object. We can only access them by using class name directly. I hope you understand what is static keyword and why we use it in our program. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.